Did you know that one man's vacation was so expensive it crashed the economy of half the world? In 1324, Mansa Musa ruled the Mali Empire in Africa. He controlled half of all the gold on Earth, and he was about to make the biggest financial mistake in history. Musa decided to visit Mecca for his religious pilgrimage, but this wasn't just any trip. He brought 60,000 people with him. They carried 4 tons of pure gold. When his massive caravan reached Cairo, Musa started giving gold away like candy. He handed out gold bars to random people on the street. He bought souvenirs with gold nuggets. The locals had never seen anything like it, but Musa gave away too much. So much gold flooded Cairo that its value crashed completely. The city's economy was ruined for 12 years. Even worse, Arab merchants now knew exactly where Africa's gold came from. Musa had accidentally revealed his empire's greatest secret. He tried borrowing gold back to fix prices, but it was too late. His wealth equaled $400 billion today. That makes Jeff Bezos look broke.